This video will cover engineering symbols. These symbols are used by engineers and machinists to further specify critical areas of the design. This video will not go into a detailed explanation on the use of all of these features, since this topic is extremely in-depth and complex. Entire college courses and textbooks are dedicated to these engineering symbols because they have very specific meanings and uses. Many of the items in this section are used with other symbols. Rarely are the symbols used on their own. If you do need further help with these individual symbols, do a search on the internet for GD&T Introduction, or search for the specific symbol that you want more information on. Normally, a site that has significant information on one symbol will have information on all of the symbols. Feature Control Frame. The feature control frame includes all of the information needed for geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. In this dialog box, you will need to reference the datum target along with a variety of different tolerance information. The standard symbols, runout, total runout, parallelism, and cylindricity, are used in conjunction with the datum targets. This allows you to calculate the minimum and maximum material conditions. Datum. The datum symbol indicates the relationship between the feature that is toleranced and the designated features of the part. To use this symbol, select the view where you want the symbol to be placed, click on the screen where you want the leader to start, and click again to place the text box. Do not worry if you do not get it in the correct location the first time. If you hold the Alt key, you can click and drag the entire symbol to a new location. If you just click and drag on the symbol, only the text box will move to a new location and will leave the initial node in the same spot. The beginning nodes are simply placed next to the edge in the design. They are not constrained to the edge. Datum Target. Datum targets are positioned to the faces of the parts and specific various additional pieces of information. As you can see in the Datum Target dialog box, there are many different available options. Surface Finish. The Surface Finish dialog box allows you to specify what the final condition of a face should be. This option is used when a face needs to be of a critical flatness. Weld Symbol. The Weld Symbol dialog box allows you to specify the type of weld that is required for the design. After the information is inserted in the dialog box, click on the workspace where you need the symbol to be placed. This video covered engineering symbols. These symbols are used by engineers and machinists to further specify critical areas of the design. The feature control frame includes all of the information needed for geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. The datum symbol indicates the relationship between the feature that is toleranced and the designated features of the part. Datum targets are positioned to the faces of the parts and specific various additional pieces of information. The Surface Finish dialog box allows you to specify what the final condition of a face should be. The Weld Symbol dialog box allows you to specify the type of weld that is required for the design.